how to embed Airtable and Notion. In this video, I'll show you how to embed Airtable and Notion. So to get started, go ahead and open Airtable into your preferred browser, sign into your account, and then go ahead and head over into that specific base where you want to get the embedded table from. So go ahead and click on your workspace, and then once you're in, click on the share button at the top right of your screen, and then under that you'll be able to find the view tab. So click on that and then click on view from here, and then make sure to enable grid view, and then make sure to set this allow viewers to copy data out of this view and allow data in this view to be synced on other databases. Copy the link and then head over to Notion, and then once you're on Notion, go ahead and enter /embed, and then click on embed from here, and then paste the link that you've got from Airtable, and then that will load into this section. So that is how you can basically embed Airtable into Notion. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.